Hello, friends. In this video, I wanted to share some tips about what to do when there's not healthy choices at an event that you're going to. So I'm Wendolyn Davis. I'm a wellness warrior, and I love eating healthy because it's the best thing ever. The results I have in my life with more energy, thinking clearer, how I feel by eating healthy makes it worth it. Where I used to love candy bars, absolutely. But now you couldn't pay me to eat a candy bar, although I do eat dark chocolate from Trader Joe's every single day. Okay. So I choose what I eat wisely, and that's very fulfilling for me. Okay. So again, just a few tips of what you can do when all that around you is junk food. Okay. So number one, you got to know your options, right? That most events just have junk food. And if you're choosing to be healthy and not eat the junk food, you need to not go hungry and make sure you have something in your pocket or your car or whatever it is you want. And so you're not lured over here to the candy bars, and you can keep your power because it is so good to be able to choose what it is you're eating instead of the food choosing you. Okay. It's all about keeping your power. So make sure you don't go hungry and bring something if you know you are going to be hungry. Those are just two important tips, right? You're just planning ahead, which is using your prefrontal cortex instead of letting your monkey brain make all the decisions for you. So I'm in Roswell, New Mexico at way off Broadway. My family loves to do these theater plays, my husband and my daughter, and I love to help and I love to be here. So I work at the concession stand. And here's a few things I've observed these past few days. One lady was buying candy bars for her kids, and then she turned to her friend, "What do you want? I'll buy you one." And her friend hesitated and then said, "Well, I'll take the Kit Kat." And then she's like, "I am on a diet." And I did whisper, "I'm a health coach, only eat half." And then another night, a guy came and bought 3 candy bars. And I'm like, "Oh, you must be super hungry." He's like, "Yeah, I didn't have any dinner." And then I heard him tell his friends, "Sugar's not that bad for you." And I was thinking, if he would only be paying attention to how he feels after he eats those 3 candy bars, because he is not going to feel good, right? His blood sugar's already dropped because he's hungry, and he just spiked his insulin big time. And then he's going to crash. So even if you don't notice the results right that second, it is an investment in your tomorrow and the next day and your health. Sugar is an enemy to the body. Yes, fruits and vegetables and grains and stuff, that kind of sugar our body needs. That's not a problem. It's when there's excess of eating this kind of sugar that can wreak havoc on your health. I mean, food is fuel, right? It's just like putting gas in your car. You put the correct kind of gasoline. You don't put diesel in your car, it's going to break down. So you keep putting lots of this in your body, it's going to break down. So just pay attention. And again, just plan ahead. Plan ahead to bring the healthy snack that you want and don't go hungry. And be sure and drink plenty of water. Now, they do have water available. Yay, right? Lots of water. So even if you're hungry at an event and you didn't bring your snack that you needed, drink the water. The water is going to help you a lot as well. Okay, my friends, we're on the road to healthy habits for a healthy life. And just planning ahead using your prefrontal cortex and not letting your monkey brain take charge is where you get your power. Those are sustainable habits. It's just choosing. And if you do want a candy bar, have some protein with it so you're not spiking your blood sugar. And enjoy, right? But you're not doing it every day, all the time, consuming tons of sugar. So those are my tips for you, my friends. So be sure and like and subscribe and share these videos with your friends. Just trying to help more people know that a healthy life is sustainable with that balance of wellness. And it feels so good to love ourselves, cheer ourselves on, and to create these healthy habits that last a lifetime, that give us the future that we deserve instead of less and less, right? So we want to age gracefully and with power, not with decline. So there you go, my friends. And be sure and check out my website, wellnesswithwendolyn.com. or you can sign up for a free consult if you need a coach to help you gain some more strategies to get your power back, to create those healthy habits that you deserve. All right, my friends, you got this. Bye.